Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're in the theme builder now. Open the header template and locate the nav menu widget so you can edit the live navigation. First, confirm the correct menu is assigned in Appearance menus if needed. Once the nav menu widget is selected, switch to the Content tab to change the menu source, layout, horizontal, vertical, drop-down, and alignment. This first step ensures you're editing the right element and that changes will reflect site-wide when saved. Now focus on the how. In Content, pick Layout and Submenu Behavior so user journeys remain clear. Choose drop-down or full width as appropriate. Then move to Style to set typography, spacing, padding, and hover colors to match branding because visual consistency improves click-throughs. Once done, check the responsive mode and configure the mobile toggle. Set icon, label, and breakpoint so the menu collapses cleanly. These adjustments control both appearance and usability across devices. Finish by saving and publishing the header, then preview on multiple breakpoints to verify behavior and spacing. Make sure to clear any caches, Elementor, caching plugins, and CDN, because stale cache often hides updates. If the navigation still looks off, inspect for CSS conflicts. Use the browser inspector to find overridden rules and add specific CSS to the header selector or temporarily disable plugins that affect headers. This ensures changes persist and display correctly for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.